Looking for the best new power tools on Amazon? In today's video, we're sharing the latest tools that can make your work faster and easier. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, there's something for everyone. Subscribe now for more amazing tools and gadgets. Anvil Portable Electric Hydraulic Rebar Bender delivers fast and precise performance with its powerful 1,200-watt motor, bending 10 to 22 millimeter rebars in just 3 to 5 seconds. Its unique eccentric wheel handles different bar sizes with ease, while the one-button operation and ergonomic handles make it simple and comfortable to use. A reliable choice for construction, bridge, railway, and building projects. MtiolHig Cordless Sheet Metal Cutter delivers powerful cutting performance with a high-torque brushless motor, making it easy to cut steel, aluminum, leather, carpet, and other materials. Its 360-degree rotating cutting head provides excellent control for straight and curved cuts, while the lightweight cordless design ensures comfort and flexibility. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, it's ideal for both professionals and DIY users. ROMECH 60-watt fabric and rope cutter delivers fast, clean cuts while sealing edges to prevent fraying and reduce mess. Its pure copper heating coil provides quick, even heating for smooth performance on fabric, rope, webbing, ribbon, and more. Complete with essential accessories and a durable carrying case, this industrial-grade hot knife is ideal for commercial work, crafting, DIY projects, and professional applications. CAVN Rechargeable Camping Light provides bright, adjustable illumination with 3 rotating LED heads, multiple lighting modes, and convenient remote control. Its 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery also works as a power bank, while the detachable tripod extends up to 6 feet for flexible positioning. Built with a durable, weather-resistant design, it's perfect for camping, emergency lighting, outdoor work, and DIY projects. SKIL Circular Saw, an Amazon bestseller, combines a powerful 13-amp motor with a lightweight design for smooth, efficient cutting and reduced user fatigue. A 51-degree bevel capacity, spindle lock for quick blade changes, and an improved dust blower enhance precision and convenience. It's a dependable choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworking projects alike. HP Submersible Utility Pump delivers powerful performance with a high flow rate of up to 2,790 gallons per hour, making it ideal for quickly draining pools, flooded basements, ponds, and hot tubs. It features automatic and manual operation, smart safety protection, and a durable copper motor. Lightweight and easy to set up, it's a reliable solution for fast and efficient water removal. Fanttik M10 Ace Cordless Angle Grinder packs impressive cutting power into a compact, lightweight design. Its 10,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, 3 adjustable modes, and smart LED display deliver precise performance for wood, metal, and tile. With dual safety features, USB-C fast charging, and 4 included cutting blades, it's a versatile tool that's perfect for DIY projects and everyday cutting tasks. BLACK+DECKER Reviva 12-volt cordless drill combines dependable performance with an eco-friendly design made from certified recycled materials. Delivering up to 230 inch-pounds of torque, it easily handles drilling and screw driving in wood, metal, and plastic. A long-lasting battery and keyless chuck provide added convenience, making this compact drill a practical choice for everyday DIY and home improvement projects. Babulas Cordless Brushless Die Grinder delivers powerful 26,000 revolutions per minute performance for grinding, polishing, cutting, sanding, and carving. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, it features 4 variable speed settings for precise control across different materials. Dual 1/4 inch and 6 millimeter collets offer added versatility, while built-in safety protection and an ergonomic non-slip grip ensure comfortable, reliable performance for professionals and DIY users. HOTO SNAPBLOQ Pioneer Edition combines a mini rotary tool, precision electric screwdriver, and cordless mini drill in one compact kit. With adjustable speed and torque settings, built-in LED lighting, and a modular magnetic storage system, it delivers excellent control for engraving, electronics repair, jewelry making, model building, and other detailed DIY projects. A versatile all-in-one toolkit for makers and hobbyists. Sail-happy compressed air duster delivers an impressive 300,000 revolutions per minute motor with adjustable airflow for powerful, precise cleaning. Perfect for keyboards, PCs, cars, barber stations, and more, it replaces disposable canned air with a rechargeable, reusable design. Lightweight, portable, and equipped with multiple nozzles and brushes, it's a versatile cleaning tool built for convenience, performance, and everyday use. That wraps up our list of amazing tools worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of the latest tools, gadgets, and Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.